Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's third video, doing weekend forecast for today's third video. So it's also on Saturday, we're having a look at the weather for the weekend, and I shall get on that for you very shortly. Just say that the first video today was our nice little 7 AM upload forecast, and also we've released the third and final seasonal model roundup for summer 2021. Now we're getting together 15 long-range models to see what they're all showing for the summer. For the last time, ahead of the summer forecast being released tomorrow. Check out the season model roundup. There is a lot of uncertainty from these long-range models from the world's leading forecast centres about, what's going to happen with this summer. So very, very, very uncertain picture. But check out the season model roundup if you would like to see that. We'll be back later on for your 10 to 14 day. That will include all of regular features. So check that out a little bit later on. Websites using for the weekend forecast are coming from theweatheroutlook.com and weathercentral.de. You can find links to both websites on the links page. Right, let's do this. And I think we'll leave the camera on for this one as we're not highlighting. So we're going to begin with radar picture from the Weather Outlook. Loads of dry weather around this morning. Have got a few showery bursts through the Midlands in towards parts of South Wales. There's 1 or 2 showers around Northern Ireland, but the vast majority of the country, and also in the southwest too, vast majority of the country has been dry. Been a lot of cloud around. Got a nasty little dying, decaying weather front, but just acting as a bit of a spoiler within the area of high pressure. I'll show you today's subject pressure chart. That's it. So high pressure dominates, but within that high, there is like a spoiler thing that's just produced a lot of cloud. However, that's going to be dying a death as pressure continues to build and sort of kills it off, if you like, and increasing amount of sunshine will start spreading in from the east. So the trend through the rest of today should be to see sunny spells breaking through from the east, where I am in Northampton. It's been cloudy, so it's brightened up now, and that process should continue through the day, seeing brighter and sunnier skies gradually pushing from east to west. However, some western and northwestern areas might stay cloudy for much of the day. So northwest England, southwest Scotland, maybe northwest England, we could keep quite a lot of cloud through those areas. And there could be a scattering of showers, particularly in northern and western regions. Southern and east areas should be mostly dry. Temperature today will reach around 21 degrees in the sunshine, so that's about 17 Fahrenheit, feeling really quite warm in the south and in the east. Cooler, of course, where I've got the cloud in the northwest, but even there, it's going to be a pretty warm and humid feel. Through the rest of tonight, we're going to see this high pressure again continuing to strengthen over the top of the country. So the clearing sky process will carry on through the evening into the night. Any showers will die out early on through this evening, and then we'll find clearing skies developing across all parts of the country. So by the end of the night, I think the skies will be pretty clear almost everywhere. Could want to mist and fog patches, I suppose. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler than last night due to the clear skies, so we won't have that blanket of cloud acting as an insulating layer. So temperatures will probably drop down into single digits, but no problems with them. It's not going to be a cold night, just be a little bit cooler than it was last night. Sunday is going to be dominated by high pressure tomorrow. High pressure is right over top of the country, so it's basically plain sailing. We're going to have lots of sunny spells across most parts of the country. Clouds will bubble up, and here and there they might get thick enough just to produce 1 or 2 light showers scattered about, but you'll be very, very unlucky to catch a shower tomorrow. I think the vast majority of the country will be dry, and again there's going to be lots of sunny spells. Temperatures will become warmer than today, so 23 is possible perhaps in London, 73 Fahrenheit, more widely sort of 17 to 22, so it is going to be a warm and sunny Sunday. And that carries on into Bank Holiday Monday as well. So high pressure continues to dominate weather, rule the roost of Bank Holiday Monday. There will be weather system coming in, or trying to come in, from off the Atlantic into the northwest. So that probably produces more cloud for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. High cloud could be possible around other Irish sea coasts of England and Wales. But most central and eastern areas are going to have, again, bags of sunshine on Bank Holiday Monday, and even in the west there'll be plenty of sunny spells coming through, and temperatures are going to be even warmer again, so probably ranging from around 18 to 25. 25 is 77 in Fahrenheit, so feeling very warm on Monday afternoon, and quite humid as well. classic bank holiday weekend. Right, beyond that, we go through to Tuesday. It's the first day of June and meteorological summer. Of course, high pressure continues to be dominated weather. Again, in come those east-southeasterly winds, so the emphasis once more is on dry weather with plenty of sunny spells. I think the cloud in the west and the northwest will probably move back out into the Atlantic, if anything, so probably more sunshine spreading into the west and the northwest through Tuesday. And again, many central southeast areas will just have bags of sunshine once more. Temperatures might reach around 26 in London. That is knocking on the door of 80 Fahrenheit, 79 Fahrenheit. Widely, again, low to mid-20s across most parts of the country. Going to be a very warm start to June and also to meteorological summer. There could be a shower breaking out in the far southwest as pressure begins to get a little bit weaker down there. And then we go through into Wednesday, and this is when things start to change as we get this thundery area of low pressure moving up from the southwest approach. Now, it looks like this system will affect more western parts of the country, with east areas probably tending to stay drier. I think most places will have a dry day on Wednesday with plenty of sunny spells, and particularly so for like Scotland, northern, eastern, northeastern England, and down the eastern side through the Midlands. Again, I think a lot of dry weather through there. Elsewhere, though, to the west and southwest, after a dry morning, I think we'll find heavy showers and thunderstorms starting to break out. That's particularly Ireland, Wales, and southwestern England during the course of Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. There some quite torrential bursts mixed in. Temperatures maybe not quite as high on Wednesday, because I think there'll be a little bit more in way of cloud generally, so we shave off a degree or so, but even so, still very warm, and there will be humid feel with a range probably somewhere from, let's say, around 17 to 23 or 24, something like that. That thundery low drifts northwards as we go through into Thursday, but weakens. So overnight Wednesday into Thursday, we probably take heavy showers and thunderstorms. I would have thought mostly at the western side of the country. It might be further east, but at the moment, I think this will be focused mainly on the west, this first push of thundery weather. Get through into Thursday, and those heavy showers and storms will be moving through Northern Ireland, probably into Scotland. I think they'll tend to fade out as they do so. For England and Wales, we probably start off with quite a lot of cloud, dampness here and there, especially so in west and southwest, but bright and sunny spells then develop, I think, during the course of that Thursday afternoon, before maybe some more thunderstorms arrive in more southern areas on Thursday evening to Thursday night. Temperatures, again, probably ranging somewhere from around 16 to 22, quite humid feel once again. Then another thundery low moves up from France as we go through into Friday. This is focused on England and Wales. So Friday could bring some very heavy thunderstorms, torrential rain, lightning, thunder, hail to England and Wales. And that will probably push northwards to Northern Ireland and Scotland on Friday night into Saturday. But I think Friday itself, the thunderstorms will be more for England and Wales. Again, there could be some torrential rain and quite severe thunderstorms in that. It's a long way off, though, so time for a change. It does also Friday could be very thundery down in the southern half of the country. Meanwhile, further north, it's a drier scene until those storms arrive later on in the day. Not everywhere will catch a storm. Some places will stay dry, but I think there will be a lot of them around by the time we get through to the end of the week. Temperatures will be dropping a little bit more. In fact, in the west, it will be starting to feel cooler and fresher, but northern east areas will still have a humid feel with temperatures ranging probably around 15 to 21. And then we go through into the weekend. Next weekend, we have this trough over top of the country on both Saturday and Sunday. That will produce more showers, but as the air cools down, we lose the humidity. We should start to see the intensity of the showers easing off. It shouldn't be as intense. It shouldn't be as thundery or as widespread, with more places tending to stay dry, I think, through the weekend. And temperatures just easing back a little bit, probably ranging from around 14 to 20, something like that, which isn't too far from average for early June. But a very interesting week coming up, it has to be said. Right, so let's have a look at the charts weather outlook, so you see weather in your area. So today, we've got a few showers in northern areas, perhaps breaking out. Probably looks wetter than it will be. In reality, I think these showers, even in the north, will be quite scattered. Many places will stay dry, with plenty of sunny spells drifting in from the east across the country. Tomorrow, also mostly dry day. There could be a rogue shower here and there, but the vast majority of the country will stay dry on Sunday with bags of sunshine. The same is true for Bank Holiday Monday as well. Feeling very warm and plenty of sunshine and dry weather coming up too. But it goes on into Tuesday as well. But then on Wednesday, we start to get these heavy showers and storms breaking out in the southwest and pushing up the western side of the country. Into Thursday, those showers and storms will be in the north, easing off through the day. It's mainly dry behind that for a while anyway, but then we could start to see more thunderstorms developing in the south on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, and then we get through into Friday, and then thunderstorms could become widespread across England and Wales, and they'll drift northwards through the course of the day. Some quite severe thunderstorms by the end of the week. Watch your space on that. Right, I'll just leave you with today's UK weather forecast summary. So here it is, very warm and humid for much of the week, well, this week's UK weather forecast summary, I should say. Very warm and humid for much of the week, mostly dry first half of the week, with plenty of sunshine, heavy showers, and thunderstorms breaking out later in the week. Going to be an interesting week. I would expect to see storm watch, maybe more than one, later next week. So watch your space. Right, that's it. Weekend forecast. We'll be back later on with your 10 to 14 day update that will include all regular features for weekend forecast, though. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.